Hey there, Roar kids. We got little Big Ozzy here. He's our cat, and he doesn't really like to be sitting still. He's kind of a go-getter. But just want to remind you that we're having a contest right now on Roar Facebook page. We want you to encourage you and your parents to send us some pictures, some videos of what you're doing while you're homebound, and then not be able to go to ball games and whatnot. But just post them to our Roar Facebook page or Facebook message them to me, and we come on and see what you're doing. We've already got a couple. Hannah Vaughn is helping her dad make sausage, homemade sausage. That sounds really good to me. I love sausage. And we had a post from Rhonda Weaver. Hunter and Ronnie were playing in the creek. So if you're doing something fun, creative, maybe you're just playing a board game, take a couple pictures, send them to us. We'd love to see them and share them with other Roar members. And because we're all in this together, and we love you guys, and we're anxious to see you soon. But in the meantime, let us know what you're doing. Send us some pictures, send us some videos. Let's have some fun. Plus, there's a McDonald's gift card for the winner. The photo or video that's picked to be the funniest or the most creative. So submit your photos or videos to me on Facebook Messenger or to the Roar Facebook page by Sunday, April 12th, and we will announce the winner of the gift card.